Need to change your account password in Windows 10? Whether you want to do it through the Settings menu or by using a quick keyboard shortcut, here are the two easiest ways to change it in just a few clicks. Method 1. Using Windows Settings. First, click on the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen and search Password. Go to Change Your Password. Next, select Sign In options from the left-hand menu. Here, click on Password and then click the Change button that appears. Enter your current password to verify your identity and click Next. Then type in your new password, confirm it, and enter a password hint to help you remember it in the future. Finally, click Next and then Finish. Method 2. Using the Ctrl-Alt-Delete shortcut. Alternatively, you can change your password instantly from anywhere on your PC using a simple shortcut. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete together on your keyboard to bring up the Windows security screen. From the list of options, click on Change a Password. Type in your old password, then enter your new password and confirm it in the box below. Once done, click the arrow button or press Enter. You will see a confirmation message saying your password has been changed. Just click OK to return to your desktop. If this quick Windows tutorial helped you update your password, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech guides.